The experts behind Garden Safe brand know home gardening is as much about how you grow as what you grow. That's why we offer specialized formulas like Garden Safe brand Insecticidal soap insect killer. The easy-to-use spray contains specially selected potassium salts of fatty acids chosen for their effective pest control. These fatty acid salts are made from plant-derived sources and damage the cell membranes of many soft-bodied pests such as aphids, mealybugs, and mites. As an added benefit, the spray will also help control powdery mildew on plants. To use, simply shake the bottle well and then turn the nozzle to spray or stream depending on your needs. Because it's a contact spray, pests must be sprayed directly to achieve control. Thoroughly spray insects or powdery mildew to wetting on all plant parts, including the underside of leaves. You can repeat the treatment weekly or bi-weekly if needed to control infestations right up to the day of harvest. Gardeners trust Garden Safe brand to keep pest control simple and let nature do the rest. Let goodness grow.